Angel alert! With recent market shifts and closures of some reverse mortgage companies, SunWest remains over 40 years strong and a longstanding leader in reverse mortgage lending. We're here for you and for your borrowers. At SunWest, we understand how important it is to meet your clients' expectations. So why not exceed them by closing their reverse loan fast? Go to heckham.swmc.com for all the information you'll need to use our simple tools, submit your reverse mortgage loans for immediate approval, and make your originations fast. If you'd like to learn more about reverse mortgage loans and why they're so popular in today's market, join us on Friday at 1 p.m. Pacific for a live anonymous webinar. Go to heckham.swmc.com for more information. See you Friday.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Sarah Wolak. We're here at Mohegan Sun Casino in Connecticut for the New England Mortgage Expo, a two-day event with some of the industry's top experts. Attendees are going to get lots of great tips on how to get the most out of a down market. This is the first in a full year of Originator Connect Network events. Our own Christine Stewart gives a look at what to expect.
This is a great way to kick off the year, get everybody excited, get everybody passionate about the business again.
The New England Mortgage Expo kicks off today, an opportunity for mortgage professionals to start the year off with some new tricks and new products. The two-day expo includes Maximum Acceleration, a who's who of mortgage professionals talking about how to take your business to the next level.
It's a crash course for the newbie originators, who might not actually have learned, how to originate when the phones aren't just ringing off the hook. But there's a lot of content that are in here for seasoned professionals.
There will be plenty of sessions throughout the week with experts talking about all aspects of the mortgage industry.
You're going to learn about how to improve your referral business. You're going to learn about how to diversify your products, learn about commercial, fix and flip, non-QM.
But it's not just the sessions. The expo offers plenty of chances to network, whether you're looking to find your next job or strike a deal with a new partner. And the exhibit hall will showcase all of the latest and greatest products out there.
There's so many additional things that you could be doing to make sure that you're still providing value to your consumer base.
The expo is the first of nearly 30 Originator Connect Network events this year, with conferences scheduled across the country. So while the market is down, a conference might just be the thing you need to jumpstart your business.
Well, I think it's a really great opportunity, like I said, to work on yourself, right? To better yourself.
For the Mortgage News Network, I'm Christine Stewart.
Thanks, Christine. We know you're more than your best deal and you're more than a mortgage broker or originator. So what's your hidden talent? What did you do when you're not working? Are you recording European music? Are you a pastor? Or maybe you're a Little League umpire or a cottage baker. Do you have a passion project outside of the office? We want to hear more about you and what you're doing in 2023, both in and out of the office. Share your story with us at nmplink.com/secretlife. The deadline for submissions is January 20th. Coming up, how to make sure your colleagues hear your critiques without seeing you as a complainer.
Morgan of SunWest Mortgage is here to change the world of loan originations forever. From sending updates to your clients to allowing you more time, you can do it all in a simple chat. You no longer have to struggle with documents. All you need to do is select the files and upload them, and they're submitted in an instant along with your loan file. With SunWest, your true home is always within.
Welcome back. You're likely feeling pressure to do your part to close loans right now, and anything that gets in the way is unacceptable. But how do you offer up critiques without becoming the office complainer who brings everyone else down? Our own Mike Savino got some tips from an industry expert.
I think we complain way too much at work today, right?
Whether you own a company or you're just an employee, you probably want your business to be successful, and that means fixing any problems. But there's a right way and a wrong way to go about it.
There is literally almost no gain that you make by being complainy and Mr. Complainy or Mrs. Complainy Pants at work.
Mortgage Banker magazine contributor Nir Bashan says it's important to stay positive, even when you're pointing out the negative. But how do you do that? For starters, don't just point out problems. Show a willingness to fix them.
That is the biggest distinction that you can make if there's something to complain about at work.
Don't be afraid to take a minute before you act and do something. You may feel the urge to fire off that email or respond. Sometimes taking just a minute can help you be more thoughtful and productive.
Before you fly off the handle, before you send that email, before you even react toward what is going on, take a thoughtful pause.
Present your ideas with positive language. Think about how you're saying it. Bashan says the English language has more negative words than positive, but that can make your criticism feel like a complaint.
That means that for every good or happy or glad, there are 6 terms that negate that, right? Bad, awful, crappy, the whole deal.
And when facing problems, Bashan suggests inverting your perspective. If you're facing a cash flow crunch, instead ask which obligations you'd pay first if you have money.
What you end up doing is you come up with a list that can be incredibly effective for your immediate problem.
If you tend to get stressed or worried easily, you might think you can never become Mr. Cool. But changes like this take time. Nir says to give yourself breaks from stress and celebrate small successes on your path to change.
This isn't about an overnight thing. This is about small little steps that you make every single day.
You can read more from Bashan in this month's issue of Mortgage Banker magazine, available now at mortgagebankermag.com. For the Mortgage News Network, I'm Katie Jensen.
I had to watch him go from so capable to a different person altogether, and it was really hard. We're hoping that this message gets to veterans out there who are in similar struggles. That's how fast SunWest worked. It was truly amazing. It makes me very happy to know that there's a company out there that cares so much, that they go through so much to help, because we never expected this. Never.
SunWest understands that your success is built one family at a time. Visit sunwestpartners.com.
Welcome back. Here's what else is interesting today. While the Biden administration's student loan debt wipeout is held up in court, the Education Department is moving ahead with another student debt revamp to lessen the burden for borrowers. This proposal would change the rules of existing income-driven repayment plans to slash the payments millions of borrowers need to make on their loans by more than 50%, allowing them to pay off their debt more quickly. As for the broader student loan cancellation plan, the Supreme Court is expected to hear the case next month. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.